Hi, my name is Lucy Rowan and I am a fibre artist specialising in weaving and punch needle. In my work, I do a lot of different things. I write craft books, I create tutorials for magazines, I take on commissions for wall hangings, and I run my own online shop. Strand by strand, I slow down and get into a meditative state as I weave. The time really flies. I explore different fabrics and reusing wool from older projects, or rope that's meant to be thrown away. The idea is to inspire people to touch my work. In this Domestika course, I will teach you how to play with weaving techniques to create your own woven wall hanging from scratch. For the final project, you will hand weave an abstract piece using various yarns to create interesting texture with a striking colour palette. We will start our journey by learning how to create a mood board for your woven wall hanging, and by looking at weaving techniques. I'll show you how to sketch out our piece and how to choose your colours, textures and yarns. Then I will cover how you can build your own loom from an old picture frame and how to warp it. Next we will learn the basic stitches, experimenting with shapes and curves, and then weave a semicircle to bring an abstract design to life. I will demonstrate how to change colours, make stripes, and explore different materials to create all sorts of textures. Then I will teach you how to finish up the weaving and how to hang it on the wall. Finally, I will show you how to use everything you've learned to create other items, and how to care for your handmade piece. By the end of this course, you'll be able to create a beautiful collection of weaves in your own unique style. To follow me, you will need a comb, some scissors, a wool needle, a shuttle, a loom, warp thread, and different types of materials and yarns. Slow down and explore the art of weaving.